So for this question, the business is considering between two suppliers. So when answering this question, you can think logically, what are some of the factors you will want in a supplier. So number one, accounting wise, information wise, you want it to be as cheap as possible. So whoever is able to offer you a cheaper package, you will take it. I also want to have to be given more days to repay the amount owing, because this will allow me more days to use the cash for other purposes instead of rushing to pay off the supplier. If there's cash discount, it will also be good, because that will mean that I can get some discount received as other income if I pay promptly. So some non-accounting information include things like, do they offer me warranty? Do they allow me to return the goods if I don't find them satisfactory? Are they based in Singapore or overseas? Because if you are based in Singapore, I will be able to visit your showroom to see the goods. And then finally, if you are in the business for more than a longer time, you are more reputable. This will give me assurance that you are able to supply me with the goods that I need. So from this question, you can see that I've already highlighted the factors that is in favor. So you just choose the ones that will favor you, and make sure you elaborate on how this factor will benefit the business. Please look at the answer key to see. Okay. Just bear in mind that the unit price and the delivery fee will all come together, because if you understand, the cost of inventory includes all other costs to bring the inventory ready for sale. Okay, so delivery is one of them. So you got to add them in. So take 800 times 100 sets, and then you get free delivery. Then for the other supplier, you take 790 times 100 plus the $50 uh, for the delivery. Okay. So for this one, the business is considering between two customers to give them more days to repay their amount owing. So just think about, in logic terms, between two friends, who will you allow to repay the amount that she owe to you? Uh, who will you allow? Okay, so some of the things could include things like, if this amount is a big amount, probably I will not want to extend, because this will affect my cash flow. It will affect the amount of cash that I can use for other purposes. Same thing could be whether you are a big business. So whether you are a profitable business bringing in a lot of revenue, because this indicates that you should have no problem paying off the amount owing to me when due, compared to another business that have very poor sales. Other non-accounting information include things like, are you a local business, you have multiple outlets, or you are someone that is just very small, okay, and don't have a lot of shops. So the one that is bigger will usually have no difficulty paying off the amount owing. Same goes for history of repayment. You likely want to look for someone who is able to pay on time, not late so often, and you can see that here we already see some differences. And then last but not least, we also want to look at the reputation of the business, the customer. If we have been dealing with them for more than a longer time, we may be in favor of them, because we want to continue the relationship, and also we can have assurance that this is a business that we are used to. We are quite sure that they will be able to pay back. All right, so this is things that we should consider. Again, make sure you elaborate on those factors and explain how this factor will affect the business positively. And most of the time, it is about getting assurance whether you are able to get the money back quickly.